Larry, my way godfather, we call it that day. So if me and my goddaughter quarrel, and 0, 0, and 1, 1. But you were small with that. You never go to 27 years. You said 27. Who give 27? I 27. Stop pressing. You say me now they call you say and they call you. You go call me for your godfather. You see this side of my friends. Your face this side. As I tell know you. Yeah, where? Yeah, where? Yeah. When you lost your pikin, then they announce they go say.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today now Enogie and the goddaughter Perry. Now their matter I want to talk about today. This matter shocktalize me, oh goddaughter will not get respect. Now wow. Enogie and Vera, they get problem. The way the thing say happen. So Perry Gold can't go comment say what he talk for the comment. He used to insult them in a way. But Enogie converse put say why Perry Gold go insult his wife like this? He not like what Perry Gold. That is the way they talk to them. So Enogie wife come write to Perry Gold say why you write that kind of comment say the insult way with the insult children say now then go use their head to carry them. So Perry Gold say not say anything wrong for that thing. So Perry Gold come out today come this Gwangwa Enogie and the wife. Now Enogie now come say he want confess Perry Gold say the baby people name can't give him for France. Say he go talk everything. Hey, wahala dey o. Wahala be like bicycle. More than listen, my darling people.
When you lost your pikin. Then they announce they go say, now you kill your pikin. The thing can't touch me. I can't give you hope.
That is Perry Gold. Now they talk now say, Perry Gold they lost the pikin for France. And they call Enogie, tell them things, you know, more than listening.
Are you, as they stand by person, what do you do? What do you do? Because say you tell me, say me arrest for Vera matter, not be you born my children. I don't know the oversabi where they worry you. Me and Vera they call it not concern you. You not in Germany. You dey France. You talk to me. I not say me call Vera. Now you call you dey behave like person they smoke it go. Now you call Vera. You insult Vera finish that day. I shock when you call me that same night. Say you don't call Vera. Me arrest. You don't come out again. Over sabi where they worry you. Not be me carry matter come meet you. Listen. Me I not to talk too much. Where? If I dey insult you, it's not good. Now your papa dey insult and your mama because if I say me I dey take her to you, me I not be age mate. Then you say, see how you take they make money for the Facebook. Me carry Vera matter come meet you. How? Not be you call me, say, Godfather, I'm even arrest for this thing. When I say they insult to your children, you know like and I say, okay, I obey you. I say you may call Vera, no. I say you may call Benjamin, no. Now you still call them finish. At the end of the day, messages there here. When you sit there and say, fire them. Fire them. You will be small rat. Because I drag you close to myself, you can't feel. Paris! I want to confess. I want to confess. I want to confess. Because this guy so
Una dey hear. Now yeah, no give for talk. Say he want confess. He want confess because people when he talk to for France, they not talk to around because of Perry Gold.
Because as you small rich, you too small for me, Perry. I think Vera Benjamin, wanna go holiday. I want to talk about matter again. Since Perry Gold is saying, although they kill you, you be bastard. Who give you the right? When they bring people matter we pass on. All those people when they prison not contribute. All those people when they prison not contribute to what they.
It's even Perry Gold put people for prison. For France there.
I want to confess. I want to confess. I want to confess. This is not prank. This is not prank. I want to confess. Who could they kill you? You tell me say the cause women they cause Vera children. Say that my head I want to carry you they mad. You they mad.
I'm going to kill you.
Listen to me. I have never made you my admin. Stop lying. I only made you my admin for 2 hours. The moment that video to finish, because I not to trust you. This will not be prank. they don't give this girl Paris Igbo make you smoke. Since the Paris Igbo not good for your body, babe, your friend will go hide yourself. You don't mad? You will be small at. Where you there? Because I say me I brought. That's what it be. Oh, that's what it be. That's what it be. If I get what I do you now, for say I get what I do you. I know people who don't bring their name to me. I say one guy. Oh wait, lesbian or lesbian or all those lesbian where they fact they go down to him. All those Paris babo, I say Paris babo. Oh,
Una dey hear. People wey don't insult for France. He said na Perry Golden, I they bring every details can't give am.
Now you be boss, now you be MD, now you be person that you regret why you even call my name. Passport where they say they give you. Nah, it is wrong.
Not the year.
We get the passport for here.
Now wow.
Before you have movie. Godfather. That push our car for him. Godfather. I thought as much. In a way. Larry. Don't you know you soon why? I wear. Now they see waiting me not they see.
Okay.
Now you want to say those girls you get out to sue them. Very good to sue them. Oh, what's one of our boy? Why are they there? Come and insult me. Say, who never see you, no get finish. It's not there now. But if I go places, people respect me.
Una dey hear.
That's carry.
Now wow.
Zadi, Benjamin and the Vera, me don't give them holiday. If they like, they talk nothing tomorrow. I know. Amen. Sorry for everything. I now know. Myself.
Or you said you not go actually sorry. If you don't say they tell me.
If they apologize to your wife.
What talk by?
Women they jealous.
Hey, oh, Masabino.
I'm not calling them. No get level. They don't get me. I know we are down before.
Oh wait.
Wait, they talk about people don't get dates because don't you say this small girl? You don't know.
His wife said the way the Perry go take the disrespect in Nogi, he go be like say two of the don't fair dates. Now me they talk am. More than they do all those goddaughter things again. You understand? So no get respect. You understand? See the way they talk to una today. That is a very big shame. You understand? Very big let down to una personality. You understand? So wifey, more than not they allow una husband they get goddaughter. They disrespect person, eh?
Oh wait. The only one of Paris. Then I sky gold.
And they confess so.
Kevin too cute. I love you, my brother. My name is Makuja. Beyonce. You don't tell me say they go that side. Mama, now yet today.
Okay.
Beyonce.
My darling people, I go come update you now later. Anything wanna think about this video? More than leave you a comment because the video too long. I'm not going to put everything. I go the cut and short they bring up. Thank you, my darling people. Take care. Bye.